You don't need 21 days to fix your life. Not 90, not even 7. You need one day, one decision, one moment where you stop lying to yourself and finally do what needs to be done. Because the truth is, you don't need more time. You need more truth. And today I'm going to give you something no one else will. A 24-hour system to reset your mind, your energy, and your direction. This isn't motivation. This is war. Let's fix you today. Step 1. Radical self-confinement. Pick one day, turn off your phone. No internet, no social media, no scrolling, no texting, no distractions, just you and your mind. Why? Because most people aren't broken. They're overstimulated. Their brain has no space to think, no space to reflect, no room to breathe. We're drowning in noise. And the fastest way to find clarity is to go silent. If you can't spend one day alone with your own thoughts, you're not avoiding boredom, you're avoiding truth. Step 2. The mirror ritual. Now comes the part nobody talks about. Stand in front of a mirror, look into your own eyes. No music, no affirmations, just 5 minutes of stillness. And ask one question. Who am I pretending to be? That's it. But ask it for real. You'll feel it. That sting in your chest, that's your real self waking up. Because you've been performing for the world. And deep down, you know it. This is the day you stop being fake. This is the day you get honest. Step 3. Destroy to rebuild. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 things. The habits that are killing your potential, the places that drain your power, the lies you tell to be accepted, and now tear the page. Burn it. Rip it. Shred it. Why? Because writing is awareness. But destroying it, that's a message to your subconscious. You're not coming back to who you were. That version of you, it dies today. Step 4. The warrior hour. Now we go physical, mental, spiritual. Set a 60-minute timer. This is your warrior hour. 20 minutes. Move your body, run, do push-ups, cold shower, doesn't matter, just push your limits. 20 minutes. Dump your mind. Write everything you're feeling. No filter, no structure. Let the chaos pour out. 20 minutes. Sit in silence, no phone, no music, just breathe, just exist. You do this and you'll feel something shift. Control, power, presence. Step 5. The 9 p.m. rule. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror again. But this time, don't question, just say this. Thank you for showing up. Not perfection, not progress, just presence. Because that's what most people never give themselves. A single day of showing up with full intensity. A day where you didn't run, didn't hide, didn't lie. You faced yourself. And that is rare. You're not broken. You're just buried, under comfort, under fear, under noise. But one day, one honest, focused, intense day can change the trajectory of your entire life. Not because you became someone new, but because you finally stopped pretending. If this hit you, don't just scroll, act, fix yourself today. And join my Telegram for daily mindset drops. Links are below. Let's level up every single day.